Hey my friends. In this video I show you how to make melodic future bounce like Mesto. His music is really bouncy. And it is really melodic.
Pretty cool, I think. Definitely something we can work with.
Lean back guys, because we jump into my Florida studio and let's make something bouncy. So Mesto makes insane melodies. They are very rhythmic and they jump from low to high. I just pick a future house style lead and remake a Mesto style melody. No, I just pick a few presets for the layering. I EQ these presets like this, put some OTT onto it, overdrive distortion, gave them some reverb I automated weirdly like this, and some kickstart for the sidechain, and all the leads together sounding like this. Mesto uses reverb reverse effects a lot. So I also made these effects right here, and I added a stuttery automation to give it a bigger Mesto vibe. With these effects it sounds like this. Mesto also uses lots of vocal shots and synth shots to humanize his lead melodies. And I also put some plucks onto it, haha. So my friends, now we have to use some really bouncy Mesto style bass presets like this to create a nice bass line. And some growl presets. And my fellas, this is what the bass line sounds like. To make the bass line even more aggressive, I added some growl samples and bass shot samples like this. The chords are also simple. I used a couple presets and made this chord pattern. And now I show you the drums. You start with a simple kick. Then I added a second kick for more groove. Add some claps. Hi-hats. A perk and more hi-hats. A tom and an atma sample. And a big snare. And some more shakers and white noise stuff like crashes. And my friends, this is basically everything about the project. For the intro and the drop fill I added the original track into it. Everything I used in this project is from my Future House sample pack called Shadow. It has lots of amazing presets and samples. You definitely should check it out if you like to make Future House or Future Bounce music. Okay guys, now let's listen to our final result. Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.